We're going to continue going over these. Like I said last time, we're going to do it little by little. Question 4 says the table below shows the number of each plastic item sold in a year. We have fork, knife, spoon, and plate. Which list shows the items in order from greatest to least number sold? They want us to make a list, and this time they want the biggest number, greatest to least. I'm going to put my numbers into my place value chart, and then I'm going to go ahead and compare them. This was 215, 339, 596. Okay, the next one was 214, 994, 884. Okay, the spoon 217, 206, 431. And the last one, the plate 215, 364, 274. There's all of our numbers, the order they gave them to me in. And we want the greatest number first, biggest first. So I have 215, 214, 217, 215. I want the biggest number first. I do see differences here. What number is the biggest out of these four? 215, 214, 217, 215. Nakai, I answered this question for you earlier, sir. Right now, we are going over our test, right? You asked about Imagine Math Facts earlier, and I told you what? Because we're going over what, Nakai? Right now, we're not doing any other work. Right now, we're not working on anything else. Right now, we're not worrying about anything else. Right now, we're going over our test. I don't want you to worry about your spelling homework. I don't want you to worry about Imagine Math Facts or anything. Just need your attention here. What number is the biggest out of all of these? Haley.
The third number?
The third one, 217. Which means 1, 2, 3. Spoon. Spoon is the biggest number I have. If I look at my answer choices, I have two that I can get rid of. F and H. One says fork, one says knife. I can't pick my answer choice yet because G and J both have spoon. I have to find the other numbers. Okay. So I already know that 217 is my biggest number. I have 215, 214, and 215. They're not the same number, so I do see some differences here. What number is the bigger number now? What's the biggest number I have left? Haley.
The 15s?
The 15s. And I like that you tell the 15s, not one. There's two of them. So these two are tied, right? But I do know that this 14 is what? Is this 14 bigger? Or sorry, is 214 bigger or smaller than 215, Kaylee?
No?
No, what? It's bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller. Okay. I'm trying to make a list of my biggest numbers. So who can tell me if this is my smallest number, 214? We already know what number comes first, but what place would this number come in if it's the smallest one? Okay? Not second. Because I'm making a list of big numbers. This is my smallest one. So if this is my smallest number, it comes in what place? Alexa?
Fourth.
Fourth place. So this is my second number. Let me see. Fork, knife. So knife should be at the end of my list. G has spoon in the front and fork in last. J has spoon in the front and knife last. So my answer should be J. Okay, let me clear out place value chart. Question 5. A pencil factory made 442,828,182 pencils last year. The previous year, the factory made fewer pencils. Which of the following numbers is less than 442,828,182? So I need to find a smaller number. That's exactly what I'm going to look for. Let me go ahead and write my number. 442,828,182. And I'm going to compare that to my answer choices. And I want to see a number. I want to find a number that is smaller. It has to be less than. I'm going to start with answer choice A. Yeah, that's fine, Kayla. We're not redoing the quiz. We're going over it. So you don't have to look anywhere else. You just focus on my screen for now. So we're going to check answer choice A. 442,868,515. Okay, let me check. We always start with the biggest place values. 442, 442. I have the exact same number. I can't tell if it's bigger. I can't tell if it's smaller. I'm going to move over. 828, 868. Now I can see a difference. What number is bigger, 828 or 868? Bella?
$868.
868 is bigger. But they told me they wanted a smaller number. So I don't want to pick answer choice A. Let me check answer choice B now. 442 million. Okay, I have that. $901,958. Okay, We're going to check again. Same thing. 442, 442. Same numbers. I can't find a difference. 828, 901. Now I can see a difference. Who can tell me which number is bigger? 828 or 901? Jada? What number is the bigger number, Jada? $901 is bigger, but again, they wanted a smaller number, which means I can't pick answer choice B either. So let's look at answer choice C. 442 million. Okay, that part's okay. 870,000. 889. Okay. 442 and 442. They're the same, no difference. I can't tell. If I move over, 828, 870. Who can tell me which number is bigger? Bella, which number is bigger?
$870.
870. But again, they wanted a smaller number. So if answer choice C is bigger, I can't pick answer choice C. Well, that only leaves one answer choice, so it better be smaller. 826,153. 442 and 442. They're equal. Can't tell a difference. 828, 826. There's a small difference here, but it is a difference. Who can tell me which number is bigger? Kylie?
828.
828. Finally, I find a number that's smaller, which means my answer choice should have been D. Okay, this one. Okay, these kinds of problems. Which statement is true? They're just comparing the numbers. They're trying to put them in some kind of list. They don't tell me whether it's greatest to least or least to greatest. So I have to kind of figure that out. What I can do, and what I notice here if I look very carefully, all of my numbers start with 46. 46 million. All of them. But the middle parts are what's different. I see a 206, 317, and 330. We'll look at the next answer choice. 317, 330, 106. 206, 317, 330. 330, 317, 206. They're using the same numbers over and over again. They're just putting them in different orders. So the good thing for me is once I know what order they come in, I can figure out my answer pretty easily. So I'm going to go ahead and write these three numbers in my place value chart. We have 46, and I'm going to put it for all of them because all of them start with that 46 million. Oh, hold on. There we go. 46 million for everything. Then we'll put 206,824. I'm just going to use answer choice A to write my number. Then 46,317,000. 824. And finally, 330,824. So we're going to just compare them. Since they don't tell us what order to go in, I'm just going to use greatest to least. Like we said earlier, all of these numbers start with 46 million. 46, 46, 46. If it's the same number, you can't tell the difference. There's not a bigger or a smaller. They're all equal. Now the middle part is where we can see a difference. 206, 317, 330. Who can tell me what's the biggest number here? 206, 317, 330. Jada, what's the biggest number here? 330. Very good. So I'm going to put a number 1 here. Or actually, you know what I'm going to put? I'm going to put a... What if we use them, if we put sizes on them? Or so we can put B for big. This is my biggest number, 330. All right, I know my biggest number. I still have 206, 317. What is the next biggest number? 206 or 317? What number is the second biggest? Haley? Haley? Well, then Kaylee can hear me. Who can tell me? What's the next biggest? Nakai?
It is 317.
317. So I can't call this the biggest, but I can say this is my medium number. It's in the middle. And Nakai, if this is my big, if this is my medium, what's this one, the 206? Small number. Okay, so I have a small number, a medium number, a big number. I just have to make sure they put them in the right order. Okay, so 206, that's my small number. The small number is less than my medium number. Is that true so far? Small is less than medium. Okay. So medium number is less than my big number. Is that also true? Is medium smaller than big? Yeah, true. So this answer choice F is true. They have them in a good order. If I check answer choice G, it starts with the medium number. The medium number is smaller than or less than the bigger number, the big number. That part's true. Medium is smaller than big. But look at this next part. My big number is less than the small number. Is a big less than small? That makes no sense. That's reversed. So I can't pick G. If I look at H, it starts off by saying my small number is bigger than the medium number. Does that make any sense? That small is bigger than medium? No, that's backwards too. And answer choice J says my big number, 330, is less than the medium number. I could have stopped here by just saying the big number is less than. If that's the biggest number I have, it's not less than anything. So no, That's wrong. The only one that was true was F. And we'll go ahead and stop there for today. Tomorrow we'll cover more of it.